In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock Notion page with password. First, it's important to clarify one thing so you know exactly what Notion can and cannot do. Notion does not currently let you add a separate password to an individual page. What Notion does offer is a page lock feature, which prevents edits, and an account password, which protects access to your Notion account. So in this tutorial, I'll show you both parts: how to lock a Notion page so it can't be edited, and how to add a password to your Notion account for security. Let's start with locking the page itself. Open Notion in your browser and go to the page you want to protect. This can be any page in your workspace. Once the page opens, you should see the page content in the main area of the screen. Now look toward the top right area of the page and click the three dots. This opens the Page Options menu. The purpose of this menu is to give you extra controls for the page, including editing and page protection settings. When the menu opens, look for the option called Lock Page. In some cases, you may see it as a switch or toggle. This feature does not hide the page or require a password, but it does stop people from accidentally changing the content. Turn on Lock Page. As soon as you do that, the page becomes locked for editing. You should now see that the page can no longer be changed normally. If you click into the page and try to type, Notion will prevent editing until the page is unlocked. This is especially useful if you want to preserve important notes, templates, or finished content. A common beginner mistake here is assuming the page is now password protected. It is not. It is only edit locked. Anyone who already has access to the page can still open and read it, depending on your sharing settings. If you ever want to edit the page again, Notion makes that simple. Click the lock icon or the page lock option again. You may see a prompt that says Unlock for me. Click that option. After that, the page is unlocked and you can type and make changes again. You should now be able to click into the page and edit it normally. Now let's move to the second part: adding a password to your Notion account. This protects your account login, which is the closest option to password protection in this workflow. If someone does not have your login credentials, they cannot access your workspace. To do this, go to your workspace area on the left side and click your workspace name or profile area. Then click Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, go to your Profile section. The purpose of this area is to manage your personal account details, including login and security options. In your profile settings, look for the option that says Add Password. Click it. You'll then see a field where you can enter a new password. Type the password you want to use for your Notion account. Make sure it's something secure, but also something you can remember. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the password, follow any prompts Notion gives you to save or confirm it. Once that's done, your account will be protected with that password. What you should expect after this step is that your Notion account now requires that password when signing in, depending on your login method. If you use Google, Apple, or another sign-in provider, the available options may look a little different, so don't be concerned if your screen is not identical. One more important note: if your goal is to stop other people from opening a page, you should also review the page's sharing permissions. Locking a page only prevents editing. It does not stop viewing if the page is already shared with others. That's it. You have successfully completed the process. Your setup should now be working correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.